welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this look right here, specifically the winged liner and lash application. I'm going to be showing you guys what lashes I use, what liner I use, and how to do this simple look in less than 5 minutes. So the first thing that I'm going to take is my Make It Big by Morphe liquid liner. Like a pen. I'm gonna come in right in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm just going to drag it out, right, as I go, and kind of just fill in while I do it. Then I'm gonna come from the bottom and make a line as far as I want it to go, and then kind of just push the top one, right, connecting it, and then I'm gonna fill in everything. This is what I have so far. I want to make it a little bit thicker, but it's all based on your preference. Okay. Then I'm going to come and do a thin line right here and connect the rest. Okay. Make sure everything is filled in. Now I'm gonna go on to the next eyelid. This eye is always harder for me because I tend to have a preference more for my right side. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing, right? I'm gonna start in the middle, and then I'm gonna push up a little bit, right? And then fill in closer to my lash line. Push out, right? And then the same thing, I'm gonna come from the bottom and make my line where I want it to end. And then I come from the top and connect it again. See? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna fill in the space. I want to make sure that it's even, right? I want this one a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna add it volume from the bottom, right? Then I'm gonna come and do the same. I'm gonna make a thin line here. And there you have it. It's really pretty simple. If you want it sharper, you can definitely come in and add some corrector with a thin brush and kind of just clean it up. But I'm pretty happy with the look right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes to this. And the lashes that I like to use are wispies. They give volume, but also maintain like a kind of natural look. And that's the look that I like. You could definitely go more dramatic with it, but I'm gonna keep it simple. Before I put my lashes on, I always use CoverGirl. See if you can see it. CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is the final look, lashes and all.